Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up alerts for a change in a credit card benefit enrollment on Atlas Reward credit card. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Atlas online banking platform, or you could log in on the Atlas mobile app. And once you're logged in, you're going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a credit card benefits enrollment change alert for. And once you've selected that, just click on account alerts and then select the credit card benefit enrollment change alerts option. And once that's done, you're going to review and customize the alert settings according to your taste. And once you have all that completed, just confirm the alert settings and review the alert preferences one more time to make sure everything is accurate. And once that's done, you have it set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up alerts for a change in credit card benefit enrollment on Atlas Reward credit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you